Hey guys, welcome back to the beauty room for another video. It's your girl Alicia and it's Vlogmas. So welcome back to another day of Vlogmas with me, Christmas with Beauty Room Fitness. And today I'm really excited because I ordered some things from Shop Disney, which is basically Disney's online website where you can order some things. And I mentioned in my last video when I went shopping for the ornaments that there were some things in my Shop Disney haul, like cart, that I wanted, but they weren't at the Disney outlet store. So they were having a sale on the items that were in my cart, and they just magically like discounted while I was in there, because what I do is I kind of put things on my wish list, and sometimes I put things in my cart that I know I'm gonna buy, and I'll leave them there, and then if I wait, sometimes they'll go on sale. So I ordered some things on Shop Disney, and I just wanted to share them with you. It came in the packaging today. I already sliced it open, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's get into it, shall we? I just want to show you the haul. So let's just see what I got and see how it came. So this is a box, and let's open it up. I like ordering things from Shop Disney because it always comes like nicely packaged. And then this is my, my paperwork, click information, and they send you like a little coupon. And then look, you can already see some stuff I got. So surprise, surprise. You can see the things, and we're gonna go over it together. And I love how they always have like Disney tissue paper that they put in there. So excited. So this is the Disney paper that they always put in there. I love it. I always keep it just for decoration, or sometimes I line my drawers with it and stuff. But this is the stuff that I got. I grabbed these two adorable gingerbread men and girls. So it's like gingerbread Mickey and gingerbread Minnie Mouse. These were originally like $24, I think, but they went on sale. They went marked down to like $13. So they're like almost like basically half off. And so I grabbed them, basically 2 for the price of 1. So like I'm opening them up. Oh my gosh, they're so soft and cute. I don't know why I'm obsessed with gingerbread this year. Like I want gingerbread everything, guys. Like what is wrong with me? Like I think I have a problem. Is there a gingerbread-itis or some kind of, or a gingerbread? I don't know, but I have it. So this is them. They're so cute and plushy. I couldn't decide on if I wanted just Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse. So when they marked them down to $13 each, it made it really easy because I was like, okay, that's almost 2 for the price of 1. So I'm going to grab them both. So I went ahead and I did get the gingerbread Mickey. He's adorable. I'm obsessed with gingerbread this year. I have a whole gingerbread kitchen. I have gingerbread men all through my house. So I had to get gingerbread Mickey and Minnie because I love Disney also. He's adorable. Look at him. He's got his little peppermints around his mouth, like it's for his cheeks, and there's like peppermint in his bow tie. And then she's kind of the same, but she's got the red bow. I just love them. They just look so cute. They look exactly like gingerbread cookies. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot. Like, they're so cute. So grabbed them, excited, and they came super fast. Like I ordered these like probably 2 days ago, like, and they came extra quick. So I don't know where they came from, but they just magically appeared. So I'm excited. I grabbed these, and so I'm gonna put her, I think we're gonna definitely put Minnie Mouse in the beauty room, or we might put Mickey Mouse, I'm not sure, but for now I'm just gonna stick in the back here because I just think they're so cute. Now I wanted the gingerbread ears so bad, but like I think they were like last year's version or something like that. And for whatever, I mean, they're all over like eBay and stuff like that, but I just refuse to pay like I don't want to get fleeced for them. You know what I'm saying? Like people are out here fleecing and gouging for them, and I just refuse to pay. So I did not grab the gingerbread ears from there. I just can't do it. I just can't do it, guys. But I did go ahead and grab this, one of the pins. I did grab a Disney pin. So I grabbed this one. It's the Happy Father's Day pin, 2021. And I just love Princess Tiana, and I love that she's with her father. I really just like Princess Tiana. And I just really like the one where she's with her dad, because they don't show her with her dad that much in the film, and I just love like her with her dad because it reminds me of me and my dad, you know. And it just says Happy Father's Day 2021, and it just reminds me of me and my dad, you know, spending Father's Day together. Unfortunately, it's the last Father's Day that I did get to spend with my dad, because my dad did pass this year, but it reminds me of my father and it makes me happy, and I just had to get it. It got marked down, and so I just really wanted this pin. It makes me happy, and it reminds me of my dad, and it's just a win-win for me. So had to snatch that. I just think it's really precious, and it's something I can remember him by. I'm gonna put with all my other pins, and yeah, I just like it, you know, and I'm so happy I got one of these. So I hope you enjoyed my little mini haul and everything. I did get an adorable Shop Disney basket or box package, whatever. Order this, you know, today. And I'm just kind of like getting wrapped up and getting ready for Christmas and trying to get all my presents wrapped and everything and getting ready for Christmas, guys, because it's coming. And I think it's like, how many days do we have left till Christmas? It's like 7 days or something. I think it's 7 days, guys. So 7 more days of Christmas. I hope you're enjoying Christmas with Beautyroom Fitness and Vlogmas with me. I hope you found your inner glow through watching this video, especially if you love Disney as much as I do. And I will see you in the future, because I'm doing all Christmas content this month, and I'm giving you frequent Christmas content. If you're loving it, give me a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more future Christmas videos, and also for more hauls, try-on hauls, and fitness related content. So love you guys, and I'll see you in the future. Bye.